forest wide, the birds took flight, each voice unique, a song so bright. High and sweet or low and deep, together they sang the melody steep. The air was filled with harmony's call, a symphony of love embracing all. Each note a gift, each voice divine, the Creator's glory in every line. Oh, the singing birds, their voices rise, a song of love beneath the sky's different tones, yet all belong together. They weave creation's song. Do not silence what God has made, for in His hands all songs cascade. The villagers came and questioned the sound. Why so many voices all around? Surely one tune would bring delight, one tone to sing, one song to unite. But the Creator spoke with wisdom fair. I made each bird with a voice to share. Their harmony reflects my design, a tapestry of love forever alive. Singing birds, their voices rise, a song of love beneath the sky's different tones, yet all belong together. They weave creation's song. Do not silence what God has made, for in His hands all songs cascade. When the softest voice feels unseen, its melody still shapes the serene. And when the loudest calls out strong, it lifts the weak to carry along. Each note is needed, each voice is heard, for love's the purpose of every bird. Trust in the melody, trust in the plan, for God's great wisdom guides every hand. And when the villagers paused to hear, the forest song drew them near. Their hearts were stirred, their eyes amazed. They saw God's glory in the songs He'd raised. The birds sang on, their voices free, a melody of love for eternity. The Creator smiled, His joy complete, for every voice had found its beat. Birds, their voices rise, a song of love beneath the sky's different tones, yet all belong together. They weave creation's song. Do not silence what God has made, for in His hands all songs cascade. So sing your song, no matter the tune, for to the moon. In God's great forest all belong together. We sing creation's song. Oh, the melody of heaven.